Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos, and today we're going to be looking at some Ronseal one coat fence life, and it's the forest green version. There obviously are different colours you can get, and this is 9 litre. Can't remember how much it wasn't a lot. Sometimes I have it on a deal at Screwfix. This is just showing you what results you can expect between a painted, so that's unpainted, as you can see. I had a bit of a rub down and a sweep before we did it, and this is the painted version.
So this normally comes in
Try and get you in
5 litre drums, and I find, and when you get it, it looks like a bit like jelly, and I just give it a stir. Now the best brush I find is, I think this is a 2-inch Harris paintbrush. Nice and easy. I'll do a bit there. Now this took about 3 coats, and this was a 5 litre drum. And you can see how.
No, that's a 9 litre one, isn't it? It's an
it?
extra value one, but you can get them in a smaller.
Litre.
Yeah.
So I've done 3 coats, and I've done half of this fence. So if I just put a bit on here, you can see how well it covers.
So when it goes on, obviously it's a bright green. Obviously it will dry darker.
This is just to show you.
And you will need a few coats to get it to the darkness you want, because the wood will soak it up. So
I want to show you something else while we're here. So I know from experience that this stuff will actually paint concrete as well.
okay.
So here's some concrete posts, and I've already painted that once. So you can get rid of your concrete posts and hide them. I'm saying it does, and it doesn't come off. I've done it years ago. So it's not designed for concrete posts, but it does work.
It
so
will
everything
paint other
blends in.
things as well,
Yeah.
won't it? Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
It's quite, coverage is absolutely brilliant with it. So does it work? Is Ronseal any good? Yeah, it's brilliant.
How long does it last in your opinion? Because we have been using this paint for years. So if you're thinking about buying this,
I'd say
what can
you're
you expect?
pushing it for a couple of years. Don't do it when it's raining, because it will just run on, wash off. Some people say spray it. I think you just get a better finish. Just take your time with it. And I go down the edges like that with it. You've got to be a little bit methodical with it. But you see it dry. It starts off light and then it stains. I mean, there's an edge there that I've missed, but that's just, but you can see it soon. But it gives quite a uniform finish, and it will preserve it. And this fence is quite old, and if we look down the camera with that fence there, it's sort of brown. And if I show you this gate, that was brown there.
where are we going around here? Yeah.
So got mowers in. So if you see that gate there, that was
brown.
the colour of that.
That was like that, yeah.
That wood.
So it's covered very well, hasn't it?
3 coats done, finished. So it covers well. It doesn't wash off. Has a nice finish. So I've used other products, and I would say you're probably better off staying with Ronseal if you want something that's going to last and durable, a couple of years. Obviously once you've got a couple of coats on, it's a lot easier to put the 2nd coat on and the 3rd coat on, and leave it, depending on the weather, leave about an hour between coats. If you can go off and do something else, then put it back on, and you'll see what I mean. Sometimes when you put your 1st coat on, it looks like it hasn't gone over it. It looks sort of virtually transparent, but give it a few minutes and you'll see that it has actually soaked in and gone through it. Anyway, if you're looking to protect your fence or fence posts or panels or any wood, basically, we're not affiliated to Ronseal in any way at all. I'd recommend this. You can't get it off deals sometimes as low as $5 a tub.
Because it's water based, if you do get it on a path, you could just put a bit of water down, it will wash off.
That's a valid point. So if you're doing it near a path and you
Or
haven't got
concrete
dust
or
sheet
anything like that, or bricks.
literally before you start work, just wet that path with a hose or bucket of water. So if it drops on it, it'll literally dissolve. We've done that before.
And it comes out of clothes as well, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's safe
Now,
for that.
I've seen this in obviously your traditional brown, your greens, but I've seen it in a lovely grey.
You can get it in orange colour as well, can't you? You can get it in all sorts
You
of
can get
colours.
it light
Stuff.
brown, dark brown, you know, but the grey looks quite nice. It's like a slate grey, depending on what your preference is. I've seen a whole fence done in grey. It looks lovely. Anyway, if anybody's using grey, good luck, because it looks smashing. Anyway, if you want to help us along a bit, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.